This is T with my review of the 2002 Crown Victoria LX Sport Edition. Did some customization to it. LED brake lights with the LED third brake light that goes all the way across the top. Fiber optic tail lights. Did a 24-inch exhaust tips. 3.5-inch outlet. Deleting the resonators. Tinted the windows. Aftermarket rims. And with the drilled and slotted rotors up front with ceramic brakes. These are the factory size tires and rims, 17-inch. This is slightly lowered from the factory than the original Crown Victoria. Switched out the headlights to projector with LEDs across the bottom. Switched out all the interior lights to LED. Switch dash lights over to LED as well. Much brighter than the factory. Tinier head unit. Absolutely love this car. It's amazing right from the factory, but I decided to make a few upgrades.